Hello again to everybody. In this video we will talk about the out-of-body experiences, and it will be a simple talk. Okay, so out-of-body experiences or near-death experience. Okay, what is that? Now, the regular idea around this is that the spirit, or what you are in the spirit form, can travel out of your body. And this is true because many persons on near-death experiences in hospitals have near-death experiences in which they saw their own body operated by the doctors. Okay. There is another part in this, and I will try to explain a bit my idea about, and this could or will explain further our history. Okay. So if we get for granted that we can travel out of our body in the spirit, okay, I say that we can travel in the body, in our body, okay. So many times people have dreams, and in their dreams they dream experiences of the day, of the other week, or I don't know. And other times they have strange dreams in which they see people, talk with people, or cannot talk with the people, and some strange dreams. Okay. So all the dreams, there are strange dreams in which we saw people from our lives. That are related in some way with our relatives, parents, and so on, or with people that we never saw in our lives. Okay, those dreams are not dreams. Those dreams are travels, okay, in ourselves. This is a power that we have already had from many time ago, from the beginning. So every time when you sleep you can dream dreams about the environment, but many times we can dream it's not a dream. We travel inside of us, because inside of us there are tiny populations, okay, of people that live in our body, because we are tiny, and we live in this human body that have so much problems. I will further make a video about the new theory. Okay, so it's not happening very often to travel inside of you. Many times when you travel inside of you is because you have something, and this power is a special power that allow you to travel inside your body and heal yourself. Because when you do that and you are traveling inside your body, you are God in your body, because it's your body, and you can command in your body to heal. You can give instructions. So the obsession of people from the beginning of our history of the human body, of the human anatomy, in so much that cover even the molecular, anatomy. Why? Because some time ago, at the beginning, we knew all that, and we could heal ourselves. And I told you that was better than that. That were so-called people that were much powerful than that. They could travel in another person's body and heal him. Okay? They could go in some kind of a dream, okay, state, and they could enter in the other person's body and heal that body. Okay? Yet those powerful persons were not God. Okay? They could give instructions and they could be teachers. But when you yourself travel in your body and encounter, I don't know, situation that are not normal in your body, because what is normal in your body? In your body it's normal all that you will learn in anatomy about a normal healthy body. Okay? How the traffic in the waters, in the blood is, what they should plant, what they should build, what is that bone, and so much things. So we are just the beginning, so to speak, in this new era to discover our ultimate power. Okay? Why is happening this? Because we are tiny, and we live in this human body that was attacked and was injured, okay? And many times he traveled inside his body and present himself as God, because he is the God of this huge body. But he could present himself inside his body like in a dream and instruct the people, okay, and to heal himself. This is the ultimate power that we have, and we have now. Okay? So the acceptation, when you will accept that we are tiny humans, that we are living in a huge body, human body, then you will accept that inside you have a huge amount of populations, okay, that inhabit your body. They live inside you and keep you alive. You are God for them, okay? And when you will understand this, you could live very healthy, in harmony, in obedience of all that population, okay? With the knowledge that you will achieve in anatomy, in defense of the body, in knowing how viruses are acting and what are they doing, into recognize the enemy and give orders. Because when you will travel inside your body, you can command. Your voice will be a command. Nobody in your body cannot disobey. Okay? You have that power. Okay? So when people said that that Christ existed, that Muhammad the Great existed, that Buddha existed, and so on. Yes, they existed. And some of them were the real Him, the body in which we are, Him incarnated, present, in His body to give instruction. Now we are living now the virus, the bacteria, bad people, They are not humans. They seem like humans, but they are not. Okay? They burned all the books. they destroyed this body, and there is a continuous attack on this human body that we call planet. It's not a planet, it's a body. And now they are burning the pierced lung, and this human body that we call God, is our God, is coughing, okay? Coughing. These are the earthquakes, okay? And will be much worse in the future. And it depends of us in recognizing, you know, the enemy and what is doing for this human body, and to do the good fight, okay? How we can heal this body and heal ourselves. So remember that sometimes when you dream dreams, strange dreams, yes, in those strange dreams you can see your ancestors, because that's what we carry inside of us, okay? That's why we are reborn time to time. I believe every 400, 500 years we are born again. If the tree genealogy, the genealogic tree, it's not cut, okay, completely, you will live again. You will be reborn again. And it will be by a tiny seed, okay, that you will be reborn again. Please check out my videos. I'm the only one that is telling the real truth to this humanity, this sick humanity, and this is the way unto healthy life, okay? Healing this body, we can do it. It's our duty, and it was given instructions to specifically nations that what they have to do in order to heal the body, okay? But the virus burn everything and kill everyone, and make everybody migrated toward another places in the body, and this is a very bad sickness. So we are now onto a verge, so to speak, between life and death. If we can understand this that I'm teaching to you, we can go toward health and life. If nobody will see my videos, will not share my videos, will not understand that, we will go unto death. So every time remember that you have the power to heal yourself. It is true, okay? So now this body, this human body that is our God, that is very sick and was attacked, pierced in the lung, cut on ligaments of his leg and so on, it suffered so much, is waking up. He is alive, but it was induced in some kind of induced coma or sleep, and now it's waking up. That's why that they go toward Antarctica, because I don't know if this human body in which we are is put in a cryogenic state of sleeping or something, in the hope that we'll conquer the illness, or the virus is, you know, the bad bacteria can touch a nerve or something and put him to sleep. So please think about what I'm explaining to you. Time to time this body is coughing, we have earthquakes because they attack his lung, and when you are have a pulmonary affection, you cough, okay? That's it. So bye bye.